Hey there. Ready to become a Bank of America customer from your couch? Opening a checking account online is a quick process that gets you started with your new account in minutes. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to get started. Visit bankofamerica.com and click on Open an Account. Choose the checking account that fits your lifestyle, like Advantage Banking. You'll fill out an application with your personal info, social security number, and contact details. You'll need a valid U.S. driver's license or state ID and an initial deposit, which you can make with a debit card or by linking another bank account. My crucial pro tip? Review the account options and fees carefully. Bank of America has several checking tiers. Choose one that matches how you bank to avoid monthly maintenance fees, often by setting up a qualifying direct deposit or maintaining a minimum balance. Look for any current new account bonus offers, too. That's how you start a new banking relationship on the right foot. Is Bank of America your main bank, or are you considering switching? Let me know below. For more guides that help you make smart financial moves, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.